All right, everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel, and to all the subscribers, welcome back. We're going to jump right into this chart, but before we do, I just want to allow you guys to know that I watch stocks daily. We look for opportunities over at the Discord. If you weren't aware of that, you're more than welcome to join us over at the Discord, like the ones popping up right now on the screen. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together, no matter what volatility the market throws at us. And while we're holding our positions that we have high conviction in, we're consistently looking for opportunities daily, 5 to 10% on a regular day, 10 to 20% on a great day, and 20% plus is a home run. So here we are with AMC Entertainment Holdings, guys. AMC stock, and a lot of investors are anticipating that squeeze to come. Now, there's a few major catalysts right now that have been pretty positive for this stock, but when we look at this from a technical point, and it always is good to look at things from a technical point, even when a lot of investors don't believe it's necessary, because the fundamentals are thrown out the window on this one, right? No one really cares about that, but the technicals, they let you know what's going on when things have slowed down. So if you're an ape, or you're an investor, or a bull, or someone that's been watching this chart, you can admit that things have slowed down a bit, okay? It has a lot. So on the 1 week, you could see that towards the end of June and beginning of July, all the way towards the middle of July, we retouched lows here of $38. So when you put the 1 day, you could see here how that slowing down has happened, right? Slowing down has happened. We had consolidated up here, and now it's pulling back. So one of the cool things is that it touched $38 to $39 twice so far, and it's created that support. And basically, when you look at this, that's a double bottom, and that's why a lot of investors are anticipating for the squeeze to start again, or actually start to happen, right? Because it hasn't even happened, and look how much the move has gone, right? Some squeezes were actually covering, but that's such a small amount compared to what's out there. And as this went higher, more shorts were actually putting more to their short positions, making it possible for an even larger squeeze. But there's some things that I've seen around. There's articles, experts, investors saying that they're waiting for another dip, or trying to catch this next dip before this run. So a lot of them are anticipating, obviously, a short squeeze and for this to run up to newer highs. But before it does, it might consolidate or pull back just a little bit, okay? That is something that I'm seeing around. But I'm here to tell you guys why the short squeeze is actually getting closer than ever to happening, and confirming that it's bound to happen. So there's a few things that have come out in different articles, and the first one is, obviously, AMC says it won't seek shareholder approval to boost stock outstanding. That right there is huge. Now, there's a lot of FUD out there of different articles trying to make this seem negative, but that's actually good. Okay, less shares outstanding, more value to the stock, right? And we already went through seeing AMC have an offering, and the offering was pretty big. To have another offering would be pretty impactful, making the share price fall again. Look how fast it fell from 72 all the way to 39. I mean, it killed some of that momentum. A lot of profit taking happened there, and then it ran up again, consolidated, it's pulled back. If it had another offering, we could have seen this go back to the 20s, maybe even 16s, 15s, anywhere in the teens actually, because it had a big impact. I mean, almost $40 to the downside. So that is something to be aware of, that's great news, holding up the price now. And that's why this stock actually started to run again. And this came out just a few days back on July 6th. And you could see here, this was July 8th, pulled back a little bit and started to take back off. So when we look at this from the 30-minute, you can actually see there's been a lot of strength and a lot of momentum after that dip, and it's shown that that has been a support even down here, $37, $38, $39 being the support so far, and that is great stuff right now, showing strength for the bulls and the apes. Now, this was the most interesting out of them all. The Motley Fool AMC Entertainment stock could be going up again, and this was Friday 9th, okay guys? 9th of July. Today's the 11th. That just came out. This is fresh news. And basically, the Motley Fool does not come out of nowhere and just go ahead and stick their head out for any random stock, especially when they have their analysts and investors talking, right? They basically said stock will be worth buying again. It's important to know what a short seller and short squeeze actually is. They go into the detail about it. I'm sure you guys have seen a lot of videos out there. And some of the great things that I really like that this was stated here is AMC is not a dead company. It is generating revenue with the $2 billion in cash. So they were looking to get more, but basically $2 billion in cash can actually give AMC enough room to actually push themselves to innovate or just continue to be a fruitful company that is not dead, like they stated here. The rollout of vaccinations and lifting of restrictions means return to normal for cinema goers. That's like one of the biggest things that everyone was waiting for. And then AMC is the most shorted stock on the market, to the point that the short borrow fee, right, has not stopped rising. And it's the highest shorted stock on the market. At some point, shorts are going to have to cover. And then he goes into stating, different information on why he's willing to even invest, and that he's only investing money in the meme stock AMC that he can afford to lose. So he's even bullish on this short squeeze possibility, and he is literally supporting the movement with the article, his actions that he's about to buy. There's been a lot of consolidation within this channel, and even if this was to dip just a little bit, it's just making the chances of a short squeeze even larger, because more inflow will come and this is going to start to take off. And then as it starts to take off, the shorts are going to be forced to cover, and this is going to be explosive, guys. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below on this article, what the share offering being held back and not happening means to you, and where do you see the price target of AMC stock. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.